Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to IntelliFriend. IntelliFriend is a self-development tool that will track your work activities and guide you to bring out your best performance. So let's have a quick look. To start IntelliFriend, you need to download the PC app that will track your work. Here it is already downloaded. When you run it, you will see a dashboard like this one. When logging into your account, you see your personal information that are being tracked. As you can see here, is the time when I started the work for the day. And as I am still active, it is showing me as an active user. This is my time for the day. And this is the total time recorded since using the app. As you can see, all my activities are shown in the graphs. All the sites I have visited and all the applications I use are being tracked. Here I have the list of the softwares and sites I have used. Here I can mark them as productive or unproductive, if I may. If I don't want something to be labeled as productive, I may change it to unproductive directly. There are other sections too, like this one for colleagues. Here I can see the people who have been working with me. Also, there is a reporting section. In this reporting section, you can get summaries of activities throughout the months or years. Here I can select my own range, like the date range I want to get the reports from. Here I can select whether the summary would be on the apps I have been using, or the work summary report to see how many hours I have been working. That's all about IntelliFriend. Thanks for watching.